Alright guys, so the first triangle we're going to look at is the shin strip triangle. So I'm going to control like above the elbow here. Armpit grip is great. If I can get this like cross grip, lapel grip, it's solid too. I'm going to hip out here, and now I'm going to swing my knee in and strip that arm. Once I get that arm kind of moving back a little bit, I'm going to continue to circle my leg over and then hit this triangle. So get these grips here. Once I get these grips, get that a little bit, kind of get on my right hip. I'm going to swing this knee in, press that arm away, keep circling, and set up that triangle. And then the other triangles are going to be like kind of push triangle variations. If I've got the gi, I'm going to use it. I'm going to just control that lapel and grab right behind the neck. I don't want him close or far. I want him like right at the end of my arm. That's where I want him. And I'm going to control this wrist. Some people will push the cuff. So this is that first kind of push grip here. As I push, I'm going to kick my left leg out here. And I'm going to shoot my hips up. And close. I'm going to keep bridging up, move that arm here. I'm going to hold the head, grab the shin, change the angle, and then finish. A lot of times, you guys can start looking at this like little flick. So I will kind of flick my right leg up and kind of change that position here. And most of what's doing it is swinging my hips to the right. And then the last one we're going to look at is if he's burying his head and dropping his elbows. This happens sometimes where his head is like down here, his elbows are real low, and it's difficult to get anything going here. So I'm going to control the lapel and just kind of pull my elbow down on his arm. So his left elbow should be stuck. I'm going to find his hip with my right leg. And at this point, his left arm should feel stuck, like he shouldn't be able to move it around very well at all. Now I'm going to bridge and get this grip here. I'm going to bridge up and push his arm out, and then close this leg here. My right arm is still keeping his posture down. I'm going to close the triangle. I'm going to move the arm. I can do that flick and kind of change the angle and then finish the choke. It's kind of gauged based off of how advanced your group is. So if you can, I would definitely show that grab the shin and change the angle, submit, finish, and then I'd also show if you feel comfortable with flicking and changing the angle, go ahead and kind of flick your hips to the side and catch that triangle. But that's it. Definitely email me with any questions.